Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta ban ai ka jing sakri ka bakham chana ye ki pai nok song ka Jylla ha ka liang ka kot ka khia ka Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya hannen ka sngi ka phratrek unailar ka larai ban patre kam no ye ka free drug policy lani ka jing ai ye ki Dawai ye ki breu ki bapang bastom habro ki hospital Sorkar konthop nadu ki bahasor pad ha ki thain nong kon rukumjo lengba ki jaka sumar Nongpang jong ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka jing kran ba kinong pathai khobor hadin balawai ka jelang jong ka kanhon menteri Hennen kesngi usambot menteri rangba ka Jylla uba preston tensong ulong ba lengba ka free drugs policy ka bayas riem ru bat ka free drugs policy jong ka Sorkar kami hadu nyau pa artli ki Dawai on sasam shekinong song ka Jylla ki papang basitom habaro ki hospital Sorkar ki bakan thop ha ki community health center primary health center bat ki sub center.
I am happy to tell you that the cabinet has approved the proposal of free drugs policy, and this free drugs policy is adopted in line with the free drugs policy launched by the government of India. And the benefits out of this policy is the state government will be able to provide 72 items of medicines, generic 72 items of medicine, which is to be supplied to all the government hospitals, to all CHCs, PHCs, and also the sub-centers, free of cost. So I would like to inform you that this policy has been accepted, approved by the cabinet.
Kajilang jong kanhon menteri hennen kesngi kalaman jorru ban bono dakador na kabenta kajing thiet kali ya barok ki he Sorkar ha Meghalaya bakanthop nudu ulat ka Jylla u menteri rangba ki menteri Sorkar hadu kiwe de ki officer Sorkar uba preston tensong ulai tho ba ha kisnem balalen kamsem ladan setia kano kajing bodor ha ka baidai bat kajing thiet kali na kabenta ulat ka Jylla bat yau menteri rangba ka Jylla ha ka balas bet ha ka mon jongki bat kilaru ban thiet iki kali basongdor hadu siklor lani arklor tingka kawai Henry menta ulat bat menteri rangba kimla so ban thiet kali palat yakador balamang bat kani kalong komisi benta ban kunai ka pisa bat bante lakam ya ka jinglot jingsep jong ka Sorkar.
The cabinet has decided to enhance the price limit for governor and chief minister up to 40 lakhs. Then Deputy Chief Minister, Ministers, Chief Secretary up to 20 lakh, and additional Chief Secretary, DGP, Principal Secretary, PCCF up to 12 lakhs, Commissioner and Secretary and All India Services up to 10 lakhs, then Secretary, Deputy Commissioner, IGP, and all those equivalent rank up to 9 lakhs, HOD, heads of the department up to 7.5 lakhs, and district level officers up to 7 lakhs. This proposal again was approved by the cabinet.
Hakani jelang jong kanhon menteri jong Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakani kesngi larai ru ye ki menteri Sorkar ki banyeshe menta hakasngi ka bakari India ka rakhe ye kasgi lai loj ne ka Independence Day ka ban salong hakakatsan tarik menta unailar hakaleng ka Jylla.
Shillong, we decided that Chief Minister should be there for the flag hosting. Nongstoing, Shri A.L. Hek, Nongpang, Hamlet Darling, Dawai, Sngau Bahalang Dahar, William Nagar, Pitensong, Bakmara, Kermen Jylla, Resubel Para, Samlin Malngyang, then Ampati James Sangma, Clariat Bante Dorlingdok. That is in the district headquarters. And then subdivisional headquarters, Mairang Met Balungdok, Amlarem Rumbui, Lakben Rumbui, Sora Komingambon, Dadengri Tidishira Deputy Speaker, Penusla Lambor Maliang, Chairman Planning Board, Chokpot Brining Sangma, Raksamgre Thomas Sangma, Maushenrut Jikur Murthong. Then we have administrative unit Patarkhma Shri S. Sotun,